With its dramatic atrium and 2 master suites, the Rothbury Grand Atrium Master 52 takes family living to another level, combining scale, light, and sophistication in one stunning design. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home with a ground floor master suite, multiple living zones, and a spectacular atrium design that floods the meals area with light. It combines practical family spaces with luxurious touches throughout. So join us as we take a closer look. Having the master suite on the ground floor is a real advantage. It offers privacy, convenience, and makes this home perfect for families of all ages. The kitchen is a showstopper with Caesarstone benchtops in Rosa Nova, beautiful Laminex Light Walnut cabinetry, and brushed gold handles that add a touch of elegance. And with a walk-through butler's pantry, you'll have all the functionality you need neatly tucked away. One of the highlights of this design is the stunning atrium, a double-height void over the meals area that creates a dramatic sense of space and light. Details matter in the Rothbury, and touches like the stepless shower in the ground floor ensuite make everyday living feel just that little bit more indulgent. Upstairs, you'll find a second master suite that's enormous, complete with a luxury ensuite and walk-in robe. This is the ultimate retreat. And with 2 additional bathrooms on this level, every family member is well catered for. The Rothbury Grand Atrium Master 52 is a home of scale and sophistication, with a floor plan that makes every space feel bright, connected, and luxurious. Come and see it for yourself here at Riverfield Estate, Clyde, Carlisle's largest and most innovative display centre yet.